Our neighboring country, Bangladesh. Curfew in Bangladesh seems to have been imposed after violence. Hasina supporters, Islamists clash. 4 dead in widespread shooting. Dozens hit by bullets in Bangladesh shootouts. Widespread clashes in ex-Prime Minister Hasina's home turf. Bangladesh cops, in fact, gave arms to Islamists during the clashes, what we are learning. Cops crack down Awami League supporters. These are the latest updates that we're learning from the very neighboring country. This is the situation that currently seems to be, in fact, unfolding there. And we'll quickly, in fact, bring in Ashutosh Mishra, who's joining us on the broadcast to bring us more details. Ashutosh, a very good morning to you. You know, it's about to be a year now since the entire protests and the ouster of Sheikh Hasina herself, and despite that, the situation nowhere seems to be under control in Bangladesh even today.
Some or other place, of course, there is a tension, there is a violence is happening. And in a fresh, what happened yesterday was the NCP, the party formed by the students of the group who so-called claim the uprising movement in August last year, headed by Nahid Islam, who has been also the advisor in the Dr. Yunus interim government. Eventually, they called up a rally, of course, since the elections is near in Bangladesh. But during the rally in the Gopalganj area, which has been the birthplace of Bangabandhu Mujibur Rahman and also the Sheikh Hasina's grassroots, during the rally, certain provocative slogans were also raised. They were all demanding to raise down the burial memorial site of Bangabandhu Mujibur Rahman in Gopalganj. Following that, there was a protest and certain slogans by the Awami League worker and also the student wing, which is the BCL, which is now banned by Dr. Yunus administration. And eventually, the protest from each side, the sloganeering from each side turned into a violent clashes. So earlier it was NCP and the Awami League that came together, came against each other. And now immediately that was a response that came from the police and the armed forces of Bangladesh. They immediately resorted to firing. In fact, the accusation from Awami League is coming that how the NCP workers, armed workers, were shielded in the police escort van in the bulletproof vans by the police and armed forces, and even till raid night, certain these raids were carried out by against the Awami League workers, their leaders, and many of them have been detained and arrested.